Hey everyone! In our last tutorial, we covered 5-step head templates for standard hair systems. Now, for clients needing full cap custom units, we'll walk you through creating a full cap template using the same simple tools and streamlined process. Let's get started. Step 1. Map the bald area. Begin by visually defining the treatment zone. Identify and confirm the client's natural hairline, typically positioned 4 finger widths above the eyebrows. Step 2. Prepare Saran Wrap. Take the Saran Wrap sheets, ensuring complete coverage of the mapped area. If you use the standard size Saran Wrap, then prepare 2 sheets, overlap, and firmly seal their edges to create an expanded surface. Step 3. Place Saran Wrap on head. Lay the Saran Wrap on your client's head and adjust it to the position that it covers the whole head. Tweeze the ends of the Saran Wrap and tie a knot underneath the chin. Make sure it is tight on the head. Cut a small slit around your ear to make sure the Saran Wrap is flat and smooth, more closer to the scalp. Hook the remaining Saran Wrap behind the ear. Step 4. Trace the outline. Use the marker to draw the outline of the area that you want to cover with the hair system. Also, you can mark the crown area and hair direction. Step 5. Apply Scotch tape. This time, we start from taping at the front, and in the nape area separately. This helps keep the template in place. Then, a layer of Scotch tape from side to side. And another layer of Scotch tape from front to back. Press it to make it in shape and secure. Step 6. Trim the template. Use scissors to cut off the excess parts and cut along the outer edge of the black line. Step 7. Check and send. Don't forget to put it on your client's head for comparison to check whether it fits. Add the client's name as well, and done. Now you can put the full cap template, hair sample, and the order form together. Then send to our factory. Follow us for more custom-made hair system hacks.